When entering Vietnam, many foreign investors look for the fastest and most cost-effective way to set up a company. Low-cost service providers promise quick incorporation, minimal paperwork, and attractive pricing. On the surface, it looks like a smart decision. But in reality, cheap company setup services in Vietnam often come with hidden costs that appear later. And those costs can be significant. Low-cost services typically focus on one thing: getting your company registered. They handle basic documentation, submit your application, and obtain your business license. But this is only a small part of the process. What they often do not include is legal structuring, compliance planning, or risk assessment. One of the biggest risks is the lack of proper investment structuring. Your business model, ownership structure, licensing requirements, long-term expansion plans. These factors should shape how your company is set up. But cheap services rarely provide this level of analysis. And a poorly structured company can limit your control and flexibility later. Many foreign investors discover too late that their company cannot legally operate, because required sub-licenses were not identified at the beginning. Trading licenses, sector-specific permits, operational approvals. Without these, your company may be legally registered but practically inactive. Fixing these issues later is often more expensive and time-consuming. Cheap setup services often stop after incorporation. But in Vietnam, compliance begins immediately after registration. Tax filings, investment reports, labor compliance, accounting requirements. If these are not properly handled, your company may face penalties, audits, or operational disruption. Another common issue is the use of generic templates, shareholder agreements, internal regulations, employment contracts. These documents may not be tailored to your business or aligned with Vietnam law. And when disputes arise, they may not provide the protection you expect. Control is not just about ownership. It is about how your company operates. Who holds signing authority? Who controls the company seal? How decisions are made? Without proper governance structure, foreign investors may lose control operationally, even if they legally own the company. Cheap services often do not fully support banking procedures or capital contribution planning. Delays in opening a corporate bank account, incorrect capital injection processes, missed deadlines. These issues can create compliance risks and affect your ability to operate. Perhaps the biggest hidden cost is what happens after something goes wrong. Cheap providers typically do not offer ongoing legal support. When issues arise, foreign investors must find new advisors, who may need time to understand and fix existing problems. This leads to delays, higher costs, and operational uncertainty. What initially appears as cost savings can turn into higher expenses. Restructuring your company, correcting compliance issues, handling disputes, or even losing control of your business. In many cases, the cost of fixing problems far exceeds the cost of doing it right from the beginning. Instead of focusing only on price, foreign investors should prioritize value. Proper legal structuring, compliance planning, risk management, and ongoing support. Because setting up a company in Vietnam is not just an administrative process. It is a strategic decision. At LTS Law, we go beyond basic company registration. We help foreign investors structure their business in Vietnam with clarity and long-term protection. From licensing and compliance to governance and legal documentation. Our goal is to ensure your company is not just set up, but set up correctly. Vietnam offers strong opportunities for foreign investors, but success depends on the foundation you build. Choosing the right legal partner is not a cost. It is an investment in stability and control. Visit lts.com.vn to consult with our legal team and ensure your company in Vietnam is built for long-term success.